Ever seen multiple failed payments or random small orders from the same customer? That could be card testing. And if you don't catch it early, your supplement site might get flagged for fraud. Here's a quick way to learn what to watch for. Search this phrase and you will see a list of common warning signs like mismatched billing and shipping addresses, large orders of the same item, or repeated small transactions. These are all red flags that processors track. Knowing these signs helps you take manual precautions. But spotting fraud in real time is hard when you are focused on running your business. That's why EasyPay Direct's fraud protection services are so valuable. They automatically flag suspicious transactions like duplicate card tests or orders from risky locations before they ever impact your merchant account. And here's something worth noting from their FAQs. Many nutraceutical merchants are considered high risk precisely because of fraud exposure. Using a processor that understands this and actively screens transactions helps keep your approval rates high and your funds safe. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check out their fraud protection tools and see how they fit your supplement business. Catching fraud early means fewer disputes, fewer holds, and a safer account long term. EasyPay Direct helps make that simple. You will find the sign up link right there in the description when you are ready.